Today video we will see how to read from a DeepSea panel and load it to another panel. It's very easy. First we'll come and click this option. We'll read the panel. See, we have 620 DeepSea panel is connected. We'll come for, you no need to change anything, everything, but something when we want to program the module, you have to check that. It's the crank time, preheating, start delay, and main transit delay. You are not touching these options. Here we have cooling. When we want to stop the generator, it will run about 20 seconds to cool down. And cool down at the ideal is 0. When there is no load, we start the generator and we stop it, it will suddenly stop. There will be no cooling time. For power save mode, we are coming to generator. In generator option, first option is about the alternator. Our alternator is 4-pole and the connection is store connection, and also this program, this is choose for single phase. If we want to convert the generator to 3-phase, we have to come here and select the 3-phase 4-wire like this. Now we no need to change this. We'll bring it back to the single phase. In voltage option, we have under voltage alarm. This much. We can increase and decrease it, but it's good. Both of them are alarm. Volting voltage, because when applying load on the generator, the voltage will decrease. It's the minimum voltage. Over voltage alarm. When voltage increased to 242 and 253, if it's increased to 264, the generator will shut down. Above that, we are coming to the frequency. Both of them are alarm. On loading frequency, when we're applying load to the generator, the frequency will go down. As the lowest amount, if it coming load in 47, the generator will shut down. Is the nominal frequency. When we are using, we want to convert it to 60 Hertz, we have to change it from here and we'll make it 60. For example, like this. We'll bring it like this here. In this case, we have to change also sometime for 60 Hertz. We're raising the voltage about phase to phase to 0.8, but sometime at the normal voltage to 380 or 400, we can use it. And we will bring it back to the 50 Hertz because we need 50 Hertz. It's also over frequency alarm. When it reaches to 60, it will be good to shut down. These are this menu. This is generator current option. We will choose the current transformer. We'll see the current transformer is how much. We will add it here, 50. And location of the current transformer, we have to choose sometime. We are fixing the panel on deep sea also with the CT to the another panel to the totalizing panel or another panel. Then we have to choose the location. Now it's mounting on the generator. We'll keep it like this. Over current alarm. That they choose this electric trip, but the breaker is manual, not motorized. In case of motorized, it will trip. Generator rating, it's about 10 kilowatt. Overall protection, if it increase to 110%, generator will be shut down. Here is man with no touching, engine, oil pressure. We are coming to oil pressure. Now we have to choose the type of sensor. If we are changing the sensor and we couldn't find the same sensor, we another sensor we want to fix another like a video morphe or other, we have to choose it from here. Now we will keep it as like it is. Oil sensor open circuit, it's enabled. In case we remove that wire from the oil sensor, the generator will give alarm. And low oil pressure, when the sensor reading is less than about 1.03, the generator will go to shutdown. In case we are sometime we don't have sensor at the time we are on the site, till if we need power, we will come to here and make the sensor not used. In this case, we can use the generator with a sensor. The sensor will not showing any, we cannot see anything on the panel, and panel will not take action because it's not used. But for now, we'll keep it as like it is. Temperature sensor. We have this video sensor. We can change it if we have another sensor installed. We can install it and choose it here. And in case the sensor is faulty and we don't have sensor for now, till we are coming, we can use till we are receive the sensor, we can check it not used. But for now, I will keep it like this. High engine cooling temperature, when it reaches to 98, we can decrease and or increase it. From here, the big amount, and from year and year, small amount, we can change. When we bring some change in the panel, and we can load it to the same panel, or maybe this panel is faulty, we want to program another, we have to load it from this option. This for fuel level, this type of input, sensor alarm, low alarm enable. When it's getting low to 10%, the generator will be shut down. Low pre-alarm, engine option, just where the start attempt, it will crank 3 times if generator not start. After that will show the alarm. Also overspeed option. Overspeed. This, it has 2-second delay, and also after 10% increase, it will shut down the generator. And also this setting is for when the MPU is fitted to the generator, our alternator housing, we have to take more this one, and also we have to add the number of teeth. Otherwise, if we are not using MPU, we have to keep it like this. It will read the RPM from the AC or the frequency. Crank menu. When we are cranking the generator frequency reach to the 14 Hertz, the crank will be automatically stop. It will disengage and the generator will run. This option we cannot see. If we take more the MPU, there will coming the numbers. We can see it like this. If we take more this one, we'll see the speed setting. We have here the numbers, we can change it. If we didn't choose MPU, we cannot see that time. Now we make it uncheck. If this option is just for 12 volt DC, if we are using one battery, under voltage alarm, return, and over voltage when it reach to 15, return left reach to the 17, will give warning. And also charging alternator alarm, if it reach to the 4, the generator will be shut down, and warning is 6. We don't touching this. It's we have scheduled it for running the generator, how many hours per day or which day it should run. We keep it like this. This, when we want to maintain alarm, because sometimes we are forgetting to check the generator maintenance reached, we have to change the oil, then we are take more this one, the generator will get alarm when it reach to the service time. This one is also about the air, maintenance alarm about the fuel. We are not touching this, we'll keep it like this. Configuration option. We are not touching this also. We already see this menu before. Here we cannot change anything. Coming to the SCADA. In SCADA, if any change, we are bringing it to the module. No need to load that program back to the module. But in this menu, we have to load it to the, otherwise it will not save in the module. But here when we are changing something, it will be direct. We can see live the voltage and frequency live here. Also the power, how much ampere is on each phase, and this is engine option. We can see coolant temperature, battery, oil pressure, speed, fuel level, and fuel capacity, everything. About the alarm, we can see which alarm is now saved in the module, and this status, and now generator is in stop mode. If generator is running, here will be run mode. Even log, it's all registering the faults, registered fault in the module. It's all here. And this is maintenance alarm reset. When we give running hour for the service or maintenance, we can, after that we can reset it and the generator will come to the normal condition. Here we have running hour. Here we have running hour. If we want, if you change the module, we have to put the same running hour to the new module, and if we want to change, we have to put it, press the set and For example, we'll make it 15 hours. That's it, like this. But back, we don't want to change it. We'll make it back. That's it. We can from here change the date and time. And the amount of kilowatt, like this. Password, we don't want to put any password. It's contrast of the module to how much should be the contrast. We can change it. From this menu also we have one at the top, mimic. From here we can generator start and stop. Like this, now I'm starting the generator. Now it's preheating time.